of Nigeria, 17 years old, personal best 11:24. Kisha Niles of Barbados, 11:33. Very much a 100-meter runner, improving so much all through this year. In lane 5 for Great Britain and Northern Ireland, Naya Wurn-Goodison, been training in Jamaica, European Under-18 champion. Alongside her, Alana Reid of Jamaica. She's been training with Sha'Carri Richardson and her group in America. Bronze in Cali. Lead leg for the relay team that took 5th in Paris. And Chelsea Kadiri of Germany. She's found form at the right time. Season's best to impress in her semi to reach this final. Adeja Hodge of the British Virgin Islands. Semi-finals of the 200 meters in Paris. Now in the final of the World Juniors. And Viva Jinkwi of South Africa looked really impressive in heats. Had to qualify as the fastest finisher from that semi-final. 8 women, fastest qualifiers in those central lanes there. Niles, Reid, Wurn-Goodison. Battling it out for this title. Concentration. Focus, final rehearsals. Down the track.
On your marks.
Fast psyching up, settling into the blocks. The final of the women's 100 meters here in Lima at the World Junior Athletics Championships.
Set.
Good start from Alana Reid, who seems to hold the lead slightly at the moment. Can she maintain that? Hodge battling to get back on terms. Wurn-Goodison trying to get up there. Hodge could not get back to Alana Reid, who took it on the line. Niles it was who took the bronze medal, 11:18. She does improve on her bronze from Cali, and she takes home the gold medal this time. Congratulations to Alana Reid. Hodge of the British Virgin Islands takes the silver medal, 11:27, and Niles for Kisha Niles for Barbados does take that bronze medal position. 4th for Naya Wurn-Goodison, and Jinkwi came up for 5th, Kadiri in 6th. Looking for the flag, there she goes. Find the flag to celebrate. Big smiles, as there should be. She ran the lead-off leg for that Jamaican team and finished 5th in Paris. I'm sure has topped that now by taking home the title to Jamaica. That is the first Jamaican gold medal of these World Junior Championships. Hodge calmly walking around to make their way around for the photos first.
The women's 100-meter final at the World Junior Athletics Championships in Lima delivered an electrifying display of rising sprint talent, gathering a remarkable lineup of future stars from every corner of the world. 8 competitors who had demonstrated remarkable form in the earlier rounds stepped onto the track, each with aspirations of global glory. The field included Australia's Alexandra Stoa, a 19-year-old touted as a breakout star, and Nigeria's 17-year-old sensation Justina Tiana Eoan, who had clocked an impressive 11.24 seconds this season. Barbados was represented by Kisha Niles, an athlete with a personal best of 11.33 seconds, while Great Britain's Wurn-Goodison, a European U18 champion with Jamaican training roots, also took her place in the lineup. Jamaica's Alana Reid, a name already stirring attention, entered the final as a serious contender. Having earned a bronze in the 200 meters at the 2022 World U20 Championships and led the Jamaican 4 by 100-meter relay team to a 5th-place finish in Paris, Reid came in with strong credentials. Training in the U.S. alongside some of the sport's elite, including those in Sha'Carri Richardson's training circle, had clearly refined her technique. Germany's Chelsea Cuddery had peaked at just the right time, recording her season's best in the semifinals. Aja Hodge of the British Virgin Islands, fresh from a semi-final appearance in the 200m in Paris, demonstrated her speed and adaptability by advancing to this sprint final. South Africa's Viva Jean-Seu, who had dominated her heat and qualified fastest from the semifinals, completed the stellar cast. As the crowd hushed and the athletes crouched into their starting blocks, the anticipation was overwhelming. When the gun fired, Alana Reid launched with fierce acceleration, gaining an early edge. Though Hodge and Wurn-Goodison quickly responded and began pressing forward, Reid maintained her rhythm and pace flawlessly. In the final stretch, Hodge surged with determination, narrowing the gap, but Reid's early burst proved decisive. She clinched the title with a time of 11.18 seconds, while Hodge followed close behind for silver in 11.27. Barbados's Kisha Niles ran a composed race to earn bronze. Wurn-Goodison narrowly missed the podium, finishing 4th with Jean-Seu, Cuddery, and the rest trailing him behind. Reid's triumph in Lima marks a major chapter in her promising journey. At just 19, she's already stamping her authority on the junior sprint scene. Her explosive start, technical consistency, and composure under pressure illustrate a maturity beyond her years. Being part of a high-performance training group in the United States, possibly under similar conditions as global stars, has undeniably accelerated her growth. This win not only adds to Jamaica's deep sprinting tradition, but also positions Reid as a likely candidate to shine at senior-level championships in the near future. The Lima final showcased the depth and breadth of upcoming sprint talent on the world stage. Performances from Reid, Hodge, and Niles were clear indicators of what's to come in the next wave of sprinting elites. As the 2025 season picks up momentum, fans should expect fireworks, with veteran athletes like Shericka Jackson and Tina Clayton continuing to dominate, while the next generation, led by the likes of Reid, begins to stake their claim. Alana Reid's victory is more than just a gold medal. It's a signpost of a changing guard in international sprinting and the beginning of what could be a legendary career.